So as a driver, we love to travel, take the road trips, and as we cross state lines, we get a little bit uneasy, and unfortunately leads us to accidents. How is that taken into consideration when driving in a different environment, and how does that apply to your grades?
Excellent question, and it's come up more than once. Our grades are based on thousands and thousands of fatal crashes. And so you can think of it as the grade is essentially the average across all types of roads and all types of environments. So if you're looking for something that's representative of the country, then the auto grades is the only way to go. The rating systems that are in laboratories are very, very controlled, and so they don't have the influence of weather and types of roads, etc. And what we tried to do is we tried to let the data speak for itself. And when people ask me, well, shouldn't you control for the road? Shouldn't you control for the weather? My response is the data is as driven. So think about the auto grades are as driven.